Every patient that is about to undergo cataract surgery should at least find out about the premium intraocular lenses that are available. The best way to do this is through research online. Use the internet, go to mayeyecare.com, find out about multifocal lenses or premium intraocular lenses. There are many types available. There are many different things you need to know about those lenses and understand about those lenses. Once you've done some research on your own, then you need to find a physician that offers those lenses and is experienced at using those lenses. The better surgeon that you have, the better chance that you're going to have good long-term visual results.